Happy birthday, Mama!
Salamat po sa pag-aalaga sa amin at pagluluto.
Luto sa amin araw-araw.
We love you.
We love you. Ingat palagi.
Huwag ka na po gumala-gala.
Happy birthday mo, Mama. More birthdays to come. Kayo na po muna bahala dyan sa aking mag-ina. Salamat po. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Thank you. Sorry and I love you. More birthdays to come. Yun lang. More blessings sa ating pamilya. Basta happy birthday. Love you, love you, love you.
One, two, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Mama! You too.
Sabihin mo, happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Mama!
Thank you po sa lahat ng mga sacrifices nyo for us. Sana po lagi kayong healthy. Huwag nyo pong pabayaan yung sarili nyo. And see you soon. Mga 5 years pa.
Okay, bye!
Happy birthday ulit. What can you say about Mama? What can you say?
Happy Teta!
Are you?
Are you? What? Are you too?
Oh, matagal pa yan. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Oh, go.
Happy birthday, Mama! 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Mama!
And I like this. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Tatay, you know, ha? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Nobody likes you. You look like an animal. Go back to the zoo.
Happy
birthday, Mama! Hi, Mama! Happy birthday!
Birthday.
Thank you for everything, Mama. Thank you for taking care of Gail when she was... How old are you back then? When she was 2 years old. Thank you, Mama. Sana marami ka pang birthdays. Sana, Mama, marami ka pang birthdays para maalagaan mo palalo si Gail at ang lahat ng apo mo. Thank you sa pag-aalaga, lalo na kay Rain at Rian, for always being there for them. Thank you, Mama, sa lahat, sa pag-aalaga sa amin, mula sa mga anak at mga apo mo. Sana, makapunta ka na rin dito, kayong lahat. We miss you, Mama. Every day we miss you. Love you.
Love you, Mama.
Love you.
More
Bye-bye.
birthdays to come.
Nice. Look at me. Look at me. Love you, Mama. Love you, Mama.
Miss you, miss you.
Miss you, Mr. Miss you, miss you.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Bye-bye. Bye na.
Go.
1, 2, 3, go. Ay, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana humaba pa ang buhay mo. I love you.
Masarap ang mapanluto.